Welcome to this quick tutorial on using the Product Descriptions Icons app. In this video, we'll show you how to create your first highlight step by step. First, from your Shopify admin, go to Apps and click on Product Descriptions Icons to access the app dashboard. Once you're in the app dashboard, click on Add Highlight. Now, select an icon from the built-in library. Suppose you wish to show the sale percent, then you may search for sale icons, or if you already have any icons, you may simply click on Browse and upload the icon of your choice. Next, add a title for your highlight. In the text section, we will select a dynamic data field. We support various dynamic data fields. Here we will select Sale Percent Dynamic Data Field. This will display the percentage for the product. You can also add a tooltip for more context, or insert a link to redirect users to any external site, or help guide. The next step is to assign products for which you want to display the highlight by setting up rules. You can select individual products, apply them to a collection, or add them storewide. We support 15+ rules. You can also combine multiple rules together. Here we will select a collection and add a sale price rule to display highlight where sale price is between 5 to 10%. When you're done, you can also set the visibility date and time for the highlight. Choose when it should appear and when it should automatically hide, and hit the Save button. Once the highlight is created, you can go to the Settings section and customize the style of the highlight if you want. You can adjust icon size, color, layout, or font to match your store's theme. Save the changes, and preview them in the dashboard itself. And that's it. You've successfully created a highlight using the Product Descriptions Icons app. You can view the highlight directly on your store. The highlight will automatically appear on all products that meet the conditions you defined while creating it. For more tips or help, feel free to reach out to our support team.